Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today is gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna be sharing with you my tips and tricks about nail stamping. I started my nail stamping journey 4 years ago and since then I have improved my technique a lot. Here you can see some pictures of the first designs that I created. And here some of my recent designs. I decided to start stamping because this technique looked very easy. I don't have any artistic talent to draw these designs by myself, but with a stamping plate I can do anything I can imagine. At first, I was very frustrated because it was not working at all. But I didn't give up and I kept trying to understand what I was doing wrong and how could I improve it. So, based on my personal experience, I'm going to give you my tips and tricks on nail stamping. First, let's start by defining what is nail stamping. Nail stamping is a technique that uses a stamper to transfer an image engraved in a stamping plate to the nail to create a beautiful nail art. Having said that, my first tip to you is to use good quality stamping polishes. There are some brands that I use that I can recommend you. My favorite brand that I use the most is What's Up Nails. All their products work perfectly every time. The other brand that I use is Born Pretty. Their products work great as well. The other brand is Maniology, but I don't like it because sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. There are other brands that are good as well, but I haven't tried them, like Overchic Beauty, Moira, and Clear Jelly Stamper. Tip number 2 is to use a proper scraping technique. This is fundamental if you want to get a clear image from the plate. The best way is to do it at a 45-degree angle. This needs practice, but when you master it, you can get the results you want. My recommendation is to do it only once, because if you do it multiple times, you will remove excess polish and you will not pick up the image with a stamper. This is a quick process. It takes just a few seconds in between you apply the polish, scrape, and take the image with a stamper. You should not wait because the polish will dry and you will not get the image. If you are only transferring the image from the stamping plate to the nail, and not doing any other technique like reverse stamping, transfer the image immediately from the stamper to the nail and never wait until it dries in the stamper, otherwise it won't transfer. Once you get practice and you get used to do it, the magic will work every time. My third tip to you is to never give up, be patient and practice, because the more you practice, the better you will become. And after you master the simple stamping of transferring an image, you can learn different techniques like reverse stamping, which can be simple or complex. That's my favorite technique, the one I learned to master. If you're not familiar with my channel, you will see that most of my videos are reverse stamping. Other techniques that you can also learn are jelly sandwiches, layering that can be simple or complex. You can create landscapes, do gradient stamping, and stamp with chrome powder. Possibilities are endless, and you don't need to be an artist or a nail technician to do beautiful designs on your nails. There isn't a magic trick or hack that you can learn that can teach you to stamp perfectly from one day to another. The only thing that you can do is to be patient and practice. That's all. That's the key to master nail stamping. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, consider joining, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!